Hey guys, I'm back to another video. So today, this is going to be one of the other videos on this Tundra. We did the LED and all of that, and now we're doing the interior. We're not going to do a complete interior because we still got like these ones. But it's going to be the main ones, so we're going to do the two 194s in there and then the two 194s in the back. Make sure your lights are off for this so you don't like melt your hands, because that will really hurt touching these bulbs with them being hot. And there's two down here, or one, I don't know. There's one T5 bulb and another T5 bulb over there. Here's the T5 bulbs. These were left over for me doing my gauge cluster conversion on that truck over there, the 06. Now we got these interior lights, these 194s, so let's get to installing these. Alright, so the first ones that we're going to do are the ones right up here. So what you need to do is you push it in and see that little tab right there? You put a flathead in there and you'll pry it right off. Alright, came right off. Now your old bulb in there, that's super hot. And if you want to get some tweezers or something, tweezers will make it a lot easier to get that out. So I'm actually gonna get some myself. Alright, then once you get your new one in, you're gonna get your old, or not old, your plastic piece and put it back in there. Here's what it looks like compared to the old one. Looks way, way better. Alright, the next one we're actually gonna do is this little one right here. It's a T5. Get that same tool, because this one's gonna be hot, because no matter what, like if you turn off these lights, it's still on. Alright, then once you get that old one out, you can put the new T5 in, and you can see it's way brighter. I'm not sure if different models have different lights in different spots, because there wasn't one over there. This is a TRD Pro, so I don't know. There wasn't one over there, which was weird because I assumed there would be. So now we're going to get to that rear one. Alright, so you just pry on the back of it, and there'll be a bunch of nasty bugs in it, so you're going to kind of want to be careful. Then once you get that out, set that over there and clean it. So you can, you know, get the nasty bugs out. And once it falls from the headliner, which was because I guess it wasn't clipped in, you can go back there and just pull out these bulbs. Alright, then once you get that one in, do the other one, and then that will be done. You just put right back in the headliner. Alright, then now, once you get all that installed, you're pretty much done. As you can see, that's how it looks. I'll show a clip of it, and I didn't have a before and after, unfortunately, but if you own one of these trucks, you know what it looks like already, so it really don't matter. But alright, that's what it looks like now. Looks way more modern, I do gotta say. Then you got that one down here that no one's gonna even know about. So yeah, now I'll go show y'all the night clip of it. Here's how bright the interior is at night now. Way brighter. So I guess we'll end this video, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.